Using Cash App in Nepal is not directly possible as it is a US-based service and does not support international transactions to Nepal. However, there are some alternatives and workarounds that can be used to receive money from Cash App in Nepal. First, you need to understand that Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money in the United States. To use Cash App in Nepal, you would need to have a US bank account or a debit card issued by a US bank. One way to receive money from Cash App in Nepal is by using a service called World Remit or similar online money transfer services. The sender can send money from their Cash App account to your World Remit account, and then you can receive the money in your Nepalese bank account. To do this, you would need to create a World Remit account and link your Nepalese bank account to it. Then, you would need to provide the sender with your World Remit account details so they can send the money from their Cash App account. Another option is to use a prepaid debit card that can be used internationally, such as a Payoneer card. The sender can send money from their Cash App account to your Payoneer card, and then you can use the card to withdraw cash from an ATM in Nepal or make online purchases. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with receiving money from Cash App in Nepal, such as transfer fees and exchange rate fees. You should check with the service provider to understand the fees and exchange rates before receiving money. In summary, while Cash App is not directly available in Nepal, there are alternative services that can be used to receive money from Cash App in Nepal. It is essential to research and understand the fees and exchange rates associated with these services before using them.